In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam games not launching or opening. Now, first thing that we can try is open up our Steam. And from in here, you want to find the game which is not opening. So let's say in my case, it is Once Human. What you want to do is right click on it, go to Properties, go to Install Filed, and verify integrity of game files. Now, when you click this, it's going to verify all the files and check that they're installed correctly. Now, this might take a little bit of time, so just wait. Now, after that is done, what you can do is press on Steam here, go to your settings, and it will open up your Steam settings. From in here, you want to head over to Download, press Clear Cache, and make sure that it's cleared. Now, if this still doesn't work, what we can try is head over to our storage, click on the three dots, and repair library. Now, we can close down Steam now, check if it works by relaunching Steam. And if it still doesn't, we can try and right click on the Steam, go to Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Now when we activate these two, it can fix some issues with our Steam client. Now, if that still doesn't work, we can look for maybe a Windows update. If there's a big update, it can cause some issues. And you can see I have actually an update here that I can easily install by clicking here. So I would install this since I need it, but I'm not gonna do that now. Now, as a last resort, if none of this works, we can come into our apps right here, find Steam, and then reinstall Steam. So simply uninstall and then download it again and see if this fixes your issue. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thanks so much for watching.